The
back
episode of how to get fucked up. This is how you get fucked up. Right, Kelly, I'm taking off now, buddy.
Put your seatbelt on.
Ask me if I do.
I pressure washed it, but it didn't help.
Alright.
TJ.
It's kind of like my job, very dusty.
Eventually,
Are we having technical difficulties over here?
I'll get
Having problems with the seatbelts? A little muddy, aren't they?
On today's episode of how to put a seatbelt on.
Okay, guys.
Can you carry my trash, please?
Hold on.
Oh, babe.
Smile.
I got food in my teeth.
I don't care. Okay. What am I doing?
Give me my cigarettes and lighter, please. Yeah, and the reason it's making noise, that's up there. I just put the thing seal, and I'm like, well, I don't need it. Well, that's why you need it.
Oh, yeah. Fucking rear view
Where you going, babe?
That's a panorama rear view mirror right there, buddy. I can see every son of a bitch behind me. What are you doing?
Recording. I'm taking pictures of you.
Are you?
Yep.
I'm probably like ugly.
No, you're not. You're handsome. You're very handsome.
I got a shower. I actually did a shower today, so I look very scrubbed.
Hey, turn the radio on so let me see how that is.
Yeah, you guys are flexing low key, aren't you? Hold on. I'd be getting drunk with the radio on.
We do.
I know, I just don't want to come home. But,
What a vibe.
We got it.
This thing is badass.
See, sometime if you get free weekend, you can hang out with us.
I'm free every weekend now. I'm off on weekends. So just tell me when you go down, or like seriously, I want to go. I don't have.
We haven't been to fucking property in 2 months. We
Yeah.
need to go.
God, it's making me want to buy a fucking toy.
Come on,
You know I gotta record this too, right? I ain't gonna do it right away though. I'll get it out eventually.
damn it.
Turn off your Wi-Fi.
My phone's good in there, right? It should be.
Yeah.
I got a pair of new device. Oh, I didn't plug in the.
What are you guys doing on the weekend, huh?
This nothing.
Doing illegal shit. Ain't that right, Mom? Definitely not gonna say that. I need to brush my teeth.
Come
What?
on, babe. Available devices. Eventually, we'll get on the road here.
This don't take gas. This takes side by side too.
It's supposed to put 93. Don't. That's what.
Oh, like 93 what?
What the hell?
Like dirt bike shit? I have faith in you, Kelly. It's alright. Go down that whole time I'm doing this.
There we go. Turn it up.
Trash straight up out the trailer, man. I'm dirty, ain't gonna lie. Got clothes out in the yard, watching me some NASCAR. A country boy, Dixie Pride. Oh, Dixie Pride.